Good day, grade 7. Welcome to another topic of our PE class. To formally start our lesson, first we will identify the following. Content standard. Performance standard. And most essential learning competencies. For today's topic, I will discuss important things about rhythmic gymnastics. For the review of the previous lesson, recall the meaning of the following physical fitness components. Gymnastics is a sport that includes physical exercises requiring balance, strength, flexibility, agility, coordination, and endurance. Let me start with the short background of rhythmic gymnastics. Nature and background of rhythmic gymnastics. Rhythmic gymnastics is a sport in which individuals or groups of 5 manipulate 1 or 2 pieces of apparatus or no apparatus. Rhythmic gymnastics is a sport that combines elements of ballet, gymnastics, dance, and apparatus manipulation. The International Gymnastic Federation or Fédération Internationale de Gymnastique or FIG is the governing body of competitive gymnastics. Competitive rhythmic gymnastics began in the 1940s in the Soviet Union. The FIG formally recognized this discipline in 1961, first as modern gymnastics, then as rhythmic sportive gymnastics, and finally as rhythmic gymnastics. The first World Championships for individual rhythmic gymnasts was held in 1963 in Budapest. Groups were introduced at the same level in 1967 in Copenhagen, Denmark. Rhythmic gymnastics was added to the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles with an individual all-around competition. Canadian Laurie Fung was the first rhythmic gymnast to earn an Olympic gold medal. The group competition was added to the 1996 Summer Olympics in Atlanta. The Spanish team won the first gold medal of the new competition with a team. Let us identify the different apparatus used in rhythmic gymnastics. Ball, hoop, ropes, clubs, ribbon are the following apparatus used in rhythmic gymnastics. A ball is made of either rubber or plastic. It ranges between 80 to 20 cm in diameter and must have a minimum weight of 400 grams. A hoop may be made of plastic or wood, must have an in diameter of 80 to 90 centimeters and minimum weight of 300 grams. A rope is made of hemp and is knotted each end. The height of the gymnast determines the length of the rope. Clubs are made out of wood or plastics, resemble of bowling pins. The minimum weight per clubs is 150 grams. It is a 7-meter strip of satin ribbon attached to a wooden stick. Holding the stick, gymnast must keep the ribbon in a constant motion throughout her routine. Next topic for rhythmic gymnastics are the skills, which is essential in building upon to create routines and games. Perform in stable position, standing or sitting. The skills in rhythmic gymnastics are locomotor skills, body moving from one place to another in a vertical plane. Develop bodily control. On the other side is non-locomotor skills, not require body to move from place to place, not incorporate objects into movement. Locomotors refers to body movements that move the body from one place to another. They cause the body to travel. They are categorized as either even or uneven movements. These movements include even rhythm, or movements consist of equal and varying actions like walking, leaping, hopping, running, and jumping, while uneven rhythm movements consist of unequal actions like sliding, skipping, and galloping. Non-locomotor movements are also sometimes called axial movements. They are movements of certain body parts or even the whole body without causing the body to travel. There are 6 main locomotor movements: bending, swaying, swinging, twisting, stretching, and turning. To recap of what you've learned, here is the activity entitled Arrange Me. Directions. The letters of the word on the left side are jumbled. Figure out the words and write them on your notebook. Number 1. It is a graceful and artistic sport usually performed on specialized apparatus. Number 2. It may be made of hemp or a synthetic material. Next, number 3. It is an apparatus used in rhythmic gymnastics made of either rubber or synthetic materials. And last, number 4. It refers to an apparatus used in rhythmic gymnastics that is thrown from alternate hands. Let us check the answer. Here are the references that I have used in doing my presentation. Photos used here are from Canva. I hope you've learned something about rhythmic gymnastics. This has been your teacher in PE for today, Mrs. Cynthia Soledad S. Aspe, giving you a motivational quotes from Gabby Douglas. Hard days are the best, because that's when champions are made. Keep safe always.